Hello guys, you're welcome to Online Business Savvy channel. My name is Duke. I want to show you how to set a stop limit sell order. Remember yesterday I did a video on how to set a stop limit buy order. Okay, so if you have not watched that video, please check this channel. You will see the video, and I gave details on how to set your trade and some other things you need to know on Binance. Okay, so I may not be going into the details of all those ones now. I will just show you how to set a sell order using stop limit. Okay, in case you do not know how to get to this Binance trading interface, all right, let me quickly show you. What you will do is, if you are on your dashboard, okay, on your dashboard, what you do is you go to the menu bar, the menu option here. You go to this menu option here, okay, and then you tap there. You tap there, okay, and it will open trade. You see trade here. Let me show you. You see trade, you tap on trade here, okay, and then it will open up. You see convert, you see spot, you see margin, you see P2P, you see strategy trading, you see swap farming, you see fan token. Okay, so you select the spot. Okay, once you select the spot, it will bring you to this interface. Okay, so and I also showed you that this is where you will change the coins that you want to trade. Okay, the coin pairs or the crypto pairs that you want to trade. Okay, and then this is the graph. This is the graph where everything is happening. Okay, and then if you also want to set the timing. Okay, the timing. Now this is the place you will see the timing. Please do check the other video. You will see where I gave details of all these things now, but I just want to show you how to set a sell order using a stop limit. Okay, now yesterday I did a video where I did a buy order, so let me quickly show you on that trade history. Now this was the trade I did yesterday. Now you see I bought this at 38,000 US dollars when Bitcoin gets to 38,000 US dollar. Now as at that time it was around 40 US dollar. Now I set a stop limit order and then telling system if Bitcoin gets to $38,000, please buy for me. And now you can see that from that time till now, Bitcoin got to 36,514 US dollars. Okay, so this is amazing. So the order I set bought for me. Now I want to sell it again, and I want to sell it at a higher price. I bought at a lower price, I want to sell at a higher price. Now you will see within a time frame, within an hour time frame, okay, using an hour time frame, you see the lowest that the prices has gone to. So I use that to set the trade. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am going to set a trade again and tell the system once this trade Bitcoin gets to let's say $40,000 or 39,500. I'll do it $39,500. Let it sell for me. Okay, Now I bought at 38,000 US dollars. I want to sell at 39,500 dollars. Okay, what do you do? Now you see under open orders, there is nothing here. I do not have any open order now, so I want to set up one. So we set on sell. Okay, we select on sell. Now you will see a limit, you will see market, you will see stop limit. Please check the other video, you will see where I explained all these things. Okay, so but now we are going to select stop limit. I am selecting stop limit. Okay, now we see here, we see limit, we see stop. Okay, so these are the two places we are going to input what we want. Now here the limit is the amount I want to buy, the amount I want to sell. We are selling the amount I want to sell. Okay, so I will now tell the system when Bitcoin gets to 39,500 US dollars, let's say 0.02, okay, $39,500, 0.02, please buy for me. Now the stop is when it will trigger the sell, so I just use a few cents away to trigger it. So I say 39,500.04, okay, 0.04. Now it will show you the quantity of BTC that you have here. That is the available BTC that I have in this particular account for this training purposes. So but I do not use all my Bitcoins for trading when I want to sell. I made mention of this and I explained it in the other video I did yesterday when I set a buy order. So please, you may wish to watch that video and see why I said so. Okay, now I am going to use 50%. Now you can use 50%, you can use 25%, you can use 75%, you can use 100%. That is the percent you want to use from this available BTC for you here. Okay, so what I am going to do is I will use 50%. I will use 50%. Okay, I use 50% or I use 25%. All right, but I am going to use 50% for this. So you select 50%. Okay, 50%. Now it has shown the value in USDT. It has shown the value in USDT. So it's $64.78, okay, worth of Bitcoin. That's what I want to sell. That's what I want to sell. Okay, so it will be selling 64.78 USDT worth of Bitcoin when the price of Bitcoin gets to 39,500 USDT. All right, so then our trade is set. Then we move on and then click on sell. We click on sell BTC. Sell BTC. Okay, so we sell. So it is creating our order. All right, it says stop limit sell order created. All right, so you see it at the top. Now our order has been created, so it is here now. So what it means is that we are now waiting for Bitcoin. If it goes to 39,500 USD, we will sell. Remember, I bought the last one I bought yesterday. I bought it at when it was at 38,000 USDT at a lower price. Now I want to sell at a higher price. Okay, that is how to do a quick trade on Binance. Okay, using your spot call it the spot wallet trading, the spot trading. Okay, and please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I will want you to please do well to subscribe to this channel and also click the notification bell, so you will see different videos as I post them. Okay, I post videos every week showing you how to do so many things online, showing you how to handle your accounts and how to make some money online. Okay, and so many things you can do online to make money. So please, you wouldn't want to miss any of my videos. I drop them every week, so please just click on the subscription button and the notification button. Also do well to like this video so that YouTube can show it to many people who will need this video. I will be dropping my personal WhatsApp link on the comment section, okay, and the description section, so you can chat me up if you have any concern or you want me to help you do anything. And I also teach people how to do affiliate marketing. In case you want to do affiliate marketing or want to join a team, okay, I will help you to secure a free mentorship with one of the top affiliate marketers in Nigeria. You can use the link I will drop in the description section and send me a WhatsApp message, and I will help you to secure that if you are ready to start affiliate marketing in Nigeria. All right, thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe to this channel and also click the notification bell so you will always see my video. Thank you and have a nice day.